Welcome to the channel. How does the copy trading function work in PU Prime? Let's find out. Alright everyone, so you're trying to figure out how can you get the best copy trader possible and how can you learn copy trading. So if you want to know, stick with me till the end of this video. I'm going to break down the best broker for it. Also, I'm going to break down what you need to do. But before we do that, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, due diligence, and take everything I say with a grain of salt. So, you're looking for that broker. You need a good broker for copy trading. That's the first thing, or an exchange. So, you need to take a look at a few things. How many clients do they have? We have over 300,000. What can you trade? Chances are you want to trade commodities, indices, metals, Forex, crypto. You don't want to just trade one thing. And you want customer support, which we have. Now, the biggest thing is you're going to see the reviews. Do they have good reviews? And we do. We have good reviews here. People like what they see. So the next thing is, to start copy trading, you need to start trading. And why? Because to actually copy someone's trades, you need to understand or have a framework generally of how you want to trade. Are you aggressive? Are you less bullish? Or are you kind of conservative? What kind of positions you want to open? Long or short? These are legitimate questions to ask. And then you want to see how you can emulate that through somebody else's behavior. To do that, first what we want to do is click here and sign up. So what you want to do here, come here, say what country you're part of, put your first name, email, password, referral code, and go ahead and create your account. You can also, if you're not ready to trade, and that's fine, create a demo account. And what a demo account will allow you to do is play. And you can play, you can do a little bit of copy trading, and then you can start to learn how to trade. And you can open demo account in the same way. And once you're done doing that, enter all your information, then you can simply log in and take a look at some trading trends and figure out how you want to trade. So here we can see inside here. Now we also have the trader and the different tools. You want to examine those. One of the tools that you can use to figure out what's going on is the volume calculator. Figure out what's going on there. You have the autocross right here, and then you also have the X Trader here where you can go ahead and create an account. So that's something that you can utilize as well. Make use of everything back here because I think this is going to really help you to get your trading journey started. Then also the trading opportunities. If you're going to copy trade, I would very much recommend taking a look at the different trading opportunities here. You'll see the settings with cryptos, metals, commodities, CFD shares, currencies, all that type of stuff, and that's going to be pretty important. So take a look at that. Next, once you've got some trading, ideas down, or you've done a little bit of trading, or at least you've taken a look at some trading trends, which I would do, then you can follow and copy the master traders. You're going to click start here at the home page. Then you can see the copy trading right here. Follow, copy trade. We can see that they have over 6 million plus successful copy traders and 150K plus copiers. We can see copy trading, multiple streams of income, get a base, and you can see how it works. You sign up, verify your account, start copy trading, and then you earn profit while learning, and that's a great thing. So all you do is choose a signal, then you set your risk and allocate funds. Now other brokers, they're more complicated. Here you access detailed signal provider performance, choose from multiple signals, then you can use the high watermark and ensure sharing profits during continuous gains. We can see the leaderboards here, the most copied and how they're doing. Then you just click join now here, enter the information and hit create account. And that is it. That's how you can start being a copy trading beast. So let me know what you think of this video and let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. And I look forward to hearing about your copy trading journey in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.